On Wednesday, Desiree and I are old companions. I've enjoyed the kind of suffering that would make a Victorian poet weep. Yet, excitement continues to allure me. They say, this town was recently bathed in blood. How quaint. A series of killings, they whisper. Tragic for most, intriguing for me. I thought I'd make it my afternoon hobby. Something to lure me out of my crypt-like room and into the decaying heart of this place. Let's see what this journey offers. A thrill, perhaps, or just another mildly amusing distraction before dinner. Either way, I'm dressed for morning.
These are these.
I fail to see the urgency of choosing a dress for a gathering of forest wives.
But you agreed to do this.
I've arrived to interrogate reality. Don't mistake it for curiosity. It's more of a compulsion.
What do you even want to know? As if I'm involved behind all of the killings.
I never accused you for participating in the killings. I merely came to extract answers, voluntarily or otherwise.
Go ahead.
Were they flayed, entombed, or disremembered? If so, I require specifics. Dates, methods, locations. Curiosity is a disease, and I intend to feed it.
Gosh, I don't know. As far as I know, they just disappeared overnight. Then boom, found dead over some creaky rooms and somewhere creepy around the city.
Reasons?
That's for you to know. That's your type of fun, right? But the talk around town is that they are abducted or probably it's groups nonsense.
Names?
Vesper, Draben, Severin, and I think Bram. But there are more.
Brilliant. I'm living.
Come on, you promised to help me out.
The red one.
What do you want?
You're here to pay for something.
Hindi sana in-hold up mo na lang, hindi kidnap.
I don't want your money. I don't want any material thing.
Eh ano?
You're here to finish a quest, an order, a challenge.
You have to choose one cup. I'm giving you 5 seconds to grab the cup of your choice. Time's up. Here's the condition. Pour the rock salt on the cup that you chose. Your goal is to dissolve the rock salt as fast as you can. Though you're not allowed to mix or stir the cup, you will rely on the temperature of the cup that you chose. We have timer to see who chose the red cup. If it dissolves under 30 seconds, you're safe. And if it doesn't, you have to wait for the consequences. Timer starts now.
Yes! Ligtas ako, boy!
You. Explain why the rock salt dissolved too.
Rock salt dissolves faster in hot water because the increased temperature boosts molecular motion. helping water molecules break apart the salt crystals more quickly.
You.
In normal room temperature, water, rock salt still dissolve but more slowly because the water molecules move less energetically and interact with the salt crystally and a reduced rate.
What about you?
In cold water, rock salt dissolves more slowly because the water molecules move less energetically, reducing their ability to break apart and surround the salt ions efficiently.
Both of you lost. Fight against each other. The losers dies.
Seryoso ka ba? Ayoko pang mamatay! Magkaibigan tayo! At ayoko pang mamatay! Huwag kang magkalap dito! Ayoko pang mamatay! Magkaibigan tayo! At ayoko pang mamatay! Huwag kang magkalap dito! Tol! Tol! Pero wala akong gawin! Tol!
Paano mo lang sumasok to?
Losers dies.
Are you sure you don't want to go to the party? I'll be there.
No. Flat. Final. Like the last nail on a coffin.
Are you still after solving that killing case? When will you actually have fun?
This is my type of fun. If you'll excuse me, I need to rest. The world is exhausting. I've already tolerated more cheerfulness than is medically advisable.
I hate dark places. Siyempre, naka-blindfold ka kaya madilim. Lala. You're here to finish your challenge.
A challenge? Kakasabi lang eh.
Choose one.
Oh, akin yan.
You need to dissolve this in under 30 seconds. The font that you chose will determine your fate. You will be timed to see who's unfortunate enough. The loser will receive a punishment.
No.
Explain why that happened.
Rock salt dissolve faster in a room temperature water when stirred slowly, because stirring helps distribute the salt particles throughout the water, increasing contact between the salt and solvent and following water molecules to more effectively break apart and surround the salt ions. Without stirring, salt dissolve more slowly in the room temperature because the water salt particles settle at the bottom, limiting their contact with freshwater molecules and reducing the rate at which the ion disperse into the solution.
It was you behind all the killings.
About time. Took you long enough to notice. I guess you're being champagne first.
Why would you commit such crime?
My type of fun.
What about the other two who succeeded the challenge?
Dead.
Evil. What? They will for sure expose what happened, so I'll make them silent, permanently. And you will for sure expose me, my friend.